Hi guys, today I'll teach you how to play Dying Inside to Hold You by Timmy Thomas. So here it goes. There's only one pattern on how to play the song. It's down, up, down, up, down, and then we shift on to the another chord. So for the verse part, we're gonna play C twice, and then repeat. And then we're gonna shift with A minor, same strumming pattern. And then we're gonna shift with G. And then we're gonna play F 3 times with the down, up, down, up, down. So it should sound like this one. And then we're gonna end it with G. For the pre-chorus part, which starts with standing there, I didn't know what to say, we're just gonna play F. And then we're gonna play G. And then you're just gonna repeat that chord pattern twice. We're gonna combine the verse and the chorus part, which should sound like this one. For the chorus part, it should have the same strumming pattern as the verse and the pre-chorus. And the chords are C, and then we proceed to G, and then the A minor, and then E minor, and we're gonna play F 3 times, and then end it with G. So if we're gonna play all the chords in the chorus, it should sound like this. So that's it. I hope you've learned from the video. Don't forget to like the button if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye for now.